Okay, today I have a service call on this heat pump unit that is always tripping off when the unit is turned on. So we're going to figure out what is happening here and I will carry you along. Alright, so you can see this is the unit. It's a Whalen heat pump, and once the unit come on, it just strip off. So we're going to figure out what's really happening here. Okay. Let's see the breaker. Oh, that's the breaker. It's on now. No. Oh, it's off now. It's off. Yeah, it's stripped off already. Yeah, I saw it. I know. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay. Okay, so I have taken off the face cover, so I'm going to have to take this panel off. Okay, so the panel here, you have one screw here, and one here to get access to inside the panel. Just take it out so you can see inside the unit. Okay, so based on the problem I'm having about unit tripping off, so I'm going to have to do what is elimination. So I'm going to have to eliminate this is the chassis. Okay, this is considered to be the chassis. So I'm going to have to eliminate the chassis. So in here is where I'm going to have to disconnect this chassis, and after that I will turn on my unit, and if the unit strip off again, then I know the problem might not be coming from the chassis. But if it doesn't trip off, then I'm going to have to figure out what's going on the chassis unit. So in this chassis, it comprises the compressors and all that. And on this unit is going to be the blower motor and other accessories. So I'll keep you updated on how we really see what's going on this unit. Thank you. Okay, so I have reset this fuse, this breaker again. Okay, so as earlier mentioned, I disconnected this socket in here, and again, this is my chassis. Okay, so I'm gonna just turn it on. Okay, so turn back on. You can see all my control light comes in, and the unit have not tripped off. So that I just have to eliminate this now. So I'm going to focus on the chassis and see where the problem could be coming from. So now you just let me know that the problem is coming from the chassis. Okay, so I'll keep you posted. Okay, so to disconnect and remove this chassis, really pretty easy. So all you need to do, this is your water in and water outlet. So all you need to do is to turn off this valve. There are two valves here. Turn it. This is a quick disconnect. Okay, you just have to quick disconnect it, and when that is all taken out, you can just pull out this chassis. Okay, so you can see it's disconnected. So I'm just going to slide out this chassis. Okay, so you can see the chassis is taken out of the case. So this is where the unit was installed. So here's the chassis. Okay, so I'm want to gain access to the compressor. So you can see this is the top cover, and I'm going to remove the side cover as well. Okay, you can see. So now I have access to the compressor, and this is the capacitors and relays. Oh boy, that really looks not too good, but you can see. So anyway, so I'm going to see the terminal of my compressor, and then I'm going to do ohms reading and see what's going on with this compressor. Okay, so I disconnected my terminal, the compressor terminal. You can see it here is my compressor terminal. I'm going to have to zoom it for you to see. So that's my compressor terminal. So there are 3 terminals. One is starting, running, and common. So I disconnected it from the compressor, and I've also hooked up my multimeter. So I'm going to ohm it and see if it's reading to ground. So you will see now. See, so I put one of my lead in there and see it's already ohming to ground. Okay, so I'm going to try the next lead. On the next lead too, see it's also ohming. And so it's ohming to ground. So that tells you this compressor is a problem. But I'm still going to use another way to let you know why this compressor is also a problem. So the other way, I'm going to have to insulate my leads. So I have 3 leads here. I'm going to insulate it. Please try to insulate it. I'm going to insulate it with my tape, and then I'll plug it back to power and see if it trip off. And if it doesn't trip off, then the problem is compressor. Anyway, so I will keep you posted. Thank you. So what I did here was insulating my terminal wire to the compressor. So I insulated it, and I have plugged it in here. So I'm going to turn it on. This is going to be second step to really verify if that is a compressor problem. So okay, so you can see I put it on. This is plugged in, and the unit seems to be quiet. So I just a couple seconds. I'm not going to let it run. So you now see that I have really come to a conclusion that the compressor is the problem. So I'm going to have to let the owner know, and he will tell me what to do, replacing the compressor or the entire chassis. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to HVAC Mechanical System. Thank you.